you have base size, and then you test one by one. Base 1, it's okay. Take that number, base 0, 0.9, take the number until you get this kind of graph. Then you know where it is to plot, which one to plot. And then it's up to you to do the angle. So how do you do the angle?
How many angles you have to?
Just 3. You just have to choose 3 angle and then do what you want. So how do you change the angle? Change the angle is that you go airfoil, right click on the airfoil, and then go transform, go rotate. Okay, so right here, so X, Y, Z, what to change the angle you want the Z axis, so you change like that, right? So that's why it's 1 there. So you can put negative, let's say you want to do 5 degree, right? You put negative 5 degree, so apply, so it changed to 5 degree. So you have to test one by one which angle you want to use. So right now, okay, you get 5 degree, right? So you close it. So this is 5 degrees. So if you want to change it again to 10 degrees, because this is already at 5 degrees, you only need to add another 5 degrees to it
To make it 10.
to make it 10.
Okay.
So
When we change the angle every time, what we have to do?
oh wait, I'll just show you this one first. So this is 5 degrees. So right now it's at 10 degrees, but it shows negative 5 here. You can't see which degree it is right now because it doesn't matter. So right now it's at 10 degree because you add another 5 degree. So close. So this is 10 degree. So what do you have to do for that? You have to subtract it again. Update the subtract. When you update the subtract, you see everything will change. So what you want to do is go there. You've already updated, so you want to mesh it again. So it will change to 10 degree. So this one update. So everything is at 10 degree.
Okay, after updated, what we should
You should
is
do.
there any graphs? We
Yeah.
have to-
Yeah, wait. You haven't, after you update it, it's changed like that, but you still need to change this. You go to region, you still need to delete the region because this region right now is for the one that, for the 0 degrees. Okay? You want it to be the one in for your degree. Yeah. So what you do is delete it and then delete all the scene. Delete all the scene, mesh, scene, everything. Delete all. And then mesh it. Following parts need to be assigned as a region because you already delete the region, so you need to do the region again. Remember the one that we did just now? Assign part to region, and it comes out like this. You still need to do that for subtract again. So you apply it, close it. This one is not used anymore. So okay, wait. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, that execute it. So now you have a new already. So that's your new subtract. So what's gonna happen is you have to change that again. Remember that we put the value of what? It was inlet. Okay, you need to change this. Velocity inlet, pressure outlet again. You have to do the same thing again. And then this one is symmetry. And then change that to 50 again. Okay. After that, you've done that, you can open the mesh again. You see that's the mesh for the 50 meter per second. if it turns out like that, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because what you want is the one inside here, not the one outside. So whatever it is on the outside, it doesn't matter anymore, doesn't it? So because you already focus it on this side, so at whatever on top here, it doesn't matter what shape is it, as long as it's bigger than the inside, then it's fine. Yeah, you still have a nice shape there. It's fine. It's okay. And then what else you have to change? Yeah, basically that's it. You want to see the scene again? You can. You just open the geometry, then you see the scene again. So yeah, that's it. And then okay, there's another one. It's called report. This is where you get the graph for the lift and drag. So to do that, go to report, right click on the report, put new report, go force coefficient. Okay, and then also do new report also to force. Do both of that, but change the force coefficient first, which is okay. First thing that you have to do is rename it to drag coefficient. I'm just gonna put DC, and then this is drag. I'm just gonna change it to drag. Why we have two drag? I'll explain later. So now you have drag, a normal drag and just a drag coefficient. So we go to the drag coefficient. What you need to change is reference density is about this one is this is I'm just putting a value. Usually it's somewhere around there. Usually it's 1.2 to 1, 1.2 to 1, 2 to 4, something like that. I think it's 5. So the correct one is somewhere there. And then you have to change. Remember that they asked us to do 50 meter per second, so do that 50 meter per second. Okay, this is important. The part widths. So go parts, and then you need to choose region, and then you need to choose the airfoil. Why the airfoil? Because that's the constant that we need to look at. So click OK. Some parts and that one is fine already. And then what you want to do, you need to copy this. Copy this. Just okay, you see it. Click it. It will come out a new one. Okay. And then rename that.